I didn't mean to really shut
Because I
up.
was watching a video. No, don't record me talking on the phone, seriously. Get in front of me. Oh, no, stop it.
Oh my god, you're so I like your socks. Thank you, Christmas.
I'm sorry.
We are recording the socks. Dude, let's talk about Miss Pondy. Dude, I watched Yogi's windshield and he gave me $1.
No.
I need a barra.
Ten.
Al carro está aquí.
Ten, Heidi.
Pipi. Al carro. 10 pesos a la banda.
A ver, espera.
Go like this.
Go like this, look.
Coach.
And then like this. No, never mind.
I'm being raped.
No, I hit you.
Huh? I'm not even talking.
Dude, don't open that bottle.
Dude, no, that's poisonous stuff.
If you open it, Heidi, if you open it. My mommy uses it to clean.
10 pesos para lavar esta niña sucia. Estos dentes, por favor. Están todos mantecosos. Where'd you see that on? She's like, shh, cuckoo.
Dude, she's like. Heidi, she puts it on. She's like.
The shoes on. Did you record that?
Yeah.
Ay, did you record that? Luego.